We are up 4% on the 10K account, and we've made $500 on the funded 25K account. Not a bad day if you ask me.
And you? My biggest win yet. Oh wow.
Yeah.
I'm still in drawdown though.
Oh, okay.
But
so
it was the biggest win though.
Huh? How did that happen then?
So like on my 10K.
Oh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, new day, new opportunity, and I see a beautiful opportunity cooking up on S&P 500 that I've actually already entered on. So let me show you guys that right now. Yeah, so this beautiful sell opportunity on S&P 500. I've already executed on this on both my 25K funded and my 10K funding pips two-step account. So let me just quickly show you guys why I decided to enter. So this is how the 4-hour looks, right? On S&P 500, we were bullish and then we went bearish and then we went bullish again, but now we have broken below the structure point and we are now bearish. So I actually do expect price to come down to this level. And that's pretty much the play that I've decided to make, right? So you guys look here, we had my beautiful range, and then we had a breakout candle bigger than everything else in the range. And yeah, so now I'm expecting price to hit this level right here, right? And that's where my TP is set, and of course my stop loss above the candle. Now you guys may also notice that I've put an alert at this point, 6700. That's because I like to move my stop loss to break even when we get to around psychological level. And 6700 or 6700 is around psychological level where we could have a reaction off of it. So I would like to go break even at that point. So just to give you guys my thought process behind this, essentially this setup. So yeah, with that being said, I'll probably keep you guys updated. And what's actually quite funny is I'm actually going to go to university and write in about 3 to 4 hours. So yeah, this is my last paper as well, so I can actually start recording and yeah, actually post more content for you guys, because I know I've low-key been slacking, but again, that's because of my university exams, which are now officially over, well, by the time you guys see this vlog. So yeah, with that being said, hopefully S&P 500 can actually continue to you know, play out the way I wanted to, and hopefully S&P 500 hits TP. But yeah, with that being said, I'll keep you all posted on what this trade does. So yeah, I actually might also take you guys along with me throughout pretty much whatever I get up to in the day, when I go to campus, when I come back, maybe at a gym session, go out with friends, whatever the case is. I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll keep you guys posted on this trade. So yeah. Alright, so this is me walking out the exam venue, and I got absolutely violated by that paper. One of the most difficult papers I wrote, and I actually didn't even see what my trade was doing, so we're gonna get home and see what the trade is doing together. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, trade update. I just got back home from university to this amazing movement on S&P 500. Unreal, actually. Alright, so I closed out the trade on my funded account, and that's just to preserve risk, because technically I have this trade open on 2 accounts, so I don't want to take on unnecessary risk to hold this much more. So yeah, it wasn't part of my plan to close out that early, but yeah guys, I'm not going to complain about a 1 to 2.5 RR on the funded account on the 25K. So yeah, I just decided to close it out. Now I'll continue to hold on my 10K, because yeah, I do expect this movement to continue. But yeah, I mean, a beautiful day so far. I'm actually already break even on both trades, so unfortunately I couldn't record myself putting everything to break even, because guys, I literally did this while I was walking to my exam venue. So yeah, but that's a beautiful thing, because we did cross 6700 all the way there. So yeah, it's more of a safety precaution for myself. But yeah, enough rambling on, guys. This trade is moving well. I'll keep you all posted with what it does. Oh yeah, and if this trade actually hits TP on the 10K, that will be phase 1 passed. So yeah, it will be massive. So yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I've ended up closing the trade at this point. So we're beginning to get a bit of a retracement, and you know, it's not completely according to my plan to exit exactly there. However, I'm not liking a few things. I'm going to explain exactly what that is. First of all, what I've actually noticed here, guys, is a reaction from this essentially this demand zone, and we've essentially seen this reaction from this demand zone, which I don't love, right? We are pretty much floating this much of profit, and we've got this much left to go. So I've asked myself, okay, what's the likely scenario here, right? Going to the daily, the issue with daily is this, right? I am now betting on the daily. So the daily is bullish, right? You guys can see the daily is bullish. I'm betting on this daily candle to close like this. How confident I am of that? Not that confident, right? So if you guys look at 4 hour, 4 hour is indeed bearish. However, 4 hour has also approached this very key support and resistance level, and that level does concern me, because let me show you guys. If I pull this level out, as you guys can see, what's happened pretty much historically, right? We reacted off this level and had a massive reaction, right? Then we went ahead, reacted off this level, had a massive reaction. We are at that exact same level again, and remember, daily is bullish, right? And we're at the exact same level again. That could introduce problems that I'm not willing to deal with. And then also coupled with the fact that 1 hour technically has hit TP, but of course I entered off 30-minute. So you know, those are the two sort of reasons as to why I decided to take profit. I'm just not willing to hold this trade, you know, till full TP, simply due to those reasons and my experience in the market. Now let's see what this trade ends up doing. I actually do hope that it hits full TP, because that means, you know, we would have won either way. But if it goes back to break even stop loss, well, then I made the correct decision either way. So yeah, I am not gonna worry too much about that, guys. Closed trades on both my accounts. Definitely the 25k was a good choice, and then the 10k, you can argue for it, but yeah, I think it was a safe thing to do. One thing I'll give you guys advice on is never feel bad about taking profits. That's all I'm gonna say, right? I'm gonna leave that with you. Never ever feel bad about taking profits. Of course, stick with your trading plan, but yeah, don't get too upset at yourself for taking profits. There's always more days, always more trading days where you can make more money. So yeah, I'm happy with that. We're up 4% on the 10k account, and we've made $500 on the funded 25k account. So yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, to end of this profitable day, I'm gonna go ahead and chill with my friends, quick outfit change. Yeah, I mean, considering I'm done with exams and I had a profitable day, I'm gonna go chill for a little bit, right? And then I'll probably edit this video tomorrow and then grind tomorrow. But yeah, with that being said, let's go. All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. New day, new opportunity. It is Monday morning, so start of a new week. And yeah, pretty much I've taken this setup on S&P 500, as you guys can see. And yeah, beautiful breakout candle. We have our range, we have the breakout, looking to target to this zone right here. Of course, 4 hour is bullish. So if you guys don't believe me, let me show you guys that. Yeah, here's the 4 hour. So we were bearish here because we broke below the structure, but then we created a lower high and a lower low, which we then broke. We retested the level, and now we are looking to go up once again. So yeah, that's why I decided to enter on the 30-minute time frame. Just let it load. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's why I decided to enter. This is a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Now I actually took a trade on NAS a little bit earlier today. This is a clean setup I took on NAS. Let me show you guys. This is a different approach to the market, which I'm actually not showing you guys, simply because it's still in testing. So this is my 25k funded account. You guys can see it's sitting on $25,641, 2 out of 5 trading days. Once this gets to 5 out of 5 trading days, I can make my payout. So I'm literally just waiting for that, guys. As you guys can see, yeah, today this is the 2025 11/17. Today's 11/17 2025. Took a trade, made a $125 profit. Let me actually show you guys here. So yeah, on the Friday, took a $500 win. This is the same win that I took, that you guys saw, that I took on the 10k. I took on this account as well. And then yeah, today made $125. I need to have 3 more profitable days of 0.5%. So yeah, I'm gonna aim to do it this week so I can make the payout. So yeah, so far 100% win rate, quite solid. I do expect a loss eventually, hopefully not, but hey man, that's how trading is. So yeah, looking to make a payout on this account, and then of course let me actually show you guys my funding pips dashboard. Alright guys, so yeah, here is my funding pips dashboard. As you guys can see, we are up 4.4%. So yeah, you guys can see all the stats here, beautiful equity curve as well. So yeah, we are looking to of course, you know, continue to make profits. We need about $300 more, or about 3% more, and yeah, this trade can get us about 2%, 2.5%. So we'll still need one more trade for about 0.5% after this trade. But yeah, hopefully this trade can hit TP, and yeah, I'll keep you all posted on whatever this trade decides to do. So yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, trade update. And yeah, so unfortunately S&P 500 decided to violate my stop loss. Completely okay. I am still pretty much in profits on my 10k account. And then on NAS this morning, of course, we took this beautiful win. So yeah, I can't really complain about that, considering we pretty much got our second trading day today, just because we got that 0.5%. So that's why I got out early, or early if you want to call it that. But yeah, so with that being said, it is a profitable day so far, and I'm pretty much done trading for the day, because yeah, I mean, we made profits on my account. We took a losing trade, completely fine. I followed all my rules, so yeah, it's just a valid, it's a normal valid loss. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna eat. It is, I don't know if you guys can see, it is currently 1:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go eat. And yeah, I'm gonna probably continue this vlog throughout the day, go gym, and yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. So yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just hopped in the car, and oh my days, it is 30 degrees. Are we seeing that? 30 degrees. Yeah, as you can see. Now, don't get me wrong, I like summer, but 30 degrees is kind of crazy. And isn't it like 30 degrees like humid? It's like, it's literally heat. Like, look, my skin is blazing. Oh my days. So yeah, we definitely gonna have to swim. I'm gonna go gym now. I gotta pick up the cameraman. But yeah, I'm gonna go gym, and you know, I'm gonna be pouring buckets. So as soon as we done gymming, probably come back, go swim, because it's very hot. So yeah, I'll probably take you guys along for the drive. It's a very short drive anyway, but yeah, so let's go. All right, just picked up the videographer, and now we about to go gym. Matter of fact, Aldous. Okay, all right, so while we're on the way to the gym, why didn't you inform the viewers? Did you take a trade today? First of all,
I did.
Oh, you did take a trade.
I did.
So did I, and they know exactly what happened.
Oh,
There's two trades. I wouldn't lost. We'll take that for the day. And you?
How much did you lose?
No, it was on two different accounts.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Yeah. And you?
My biggest win yet.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. We like to hear that.
I'm still in drawdown though.
Oh, okay.
But
so,
it was the biggest win though.
So, huh? How did that happen then?
So like on my 10k,
Okay.
I was 2% away from failing.
Oh, okay.
So I was down 4%.
Yeah.
So I was like, you know what?
Or is it a one step?
No, it's a 2-step.
But you were 2% away from failing, and you were down 4%.
Yeah, overall drawdown is 6%.
But it's a two-step.
Yeah, it's a 2-step pro. So I need to make 6% for phase 1 and 6% for phase 2.
Okay.
So
This is funding purpose.
yeah, funding purpose pro. That's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
So I was at 9,004, not 9,500.
Right.
So if I lost another 100, that's
Yeah. Okay.
So I was like, you know what? Let me lower my risk, like a good trader would, instead of risking the normal amount, because I'm already deep in the drawdown.
Okay, so for context, yours was 2% per trade.
Yeah,
Challenge. Yeah.
1.5 to 2%.
Okay. Yeah. Same. Yeah. Okay.
So I was like, you know what? Let me chill out. So I only risked 1%,
Okay.
and the trade was a 1 to 5.
Oh wow.
So now I'm sitting at 9,960.
So break even.
Basically,
That's break even.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What on what pay was this?
Gold.
On gold. Oh wow, this morning in Asia.
3 o'clock in the morning, bro.
That's crazy. Yeah, so I think everyone knows by now, we in South Africa, so Asia session
Yeah.
is at the crack of dawn.
Yeah.
Actually, not even crack of dawn, it's midnight.
Before dawn.
Yeah, it's literally midnight.
Yeah.
So I had my alarm set for 2 o'clock, and thank goodness I didn't wake up, because I actually didn't want to take gold, and I instead took a setup on NAS, which hit TP.
What were you gonna take on gold? Was it gonna be a sell?
It was gonna be a buy.
Yeah, I took a sell.
Yeah. No, I realized that.
Yeah, you would have lost.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm glad I didn't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But yeah, so that was that. And why is it so hot? But yeah, so that's been that. We'll probably continue the vlog once we're at the gym. But yeah, that's been the update. So I'll catch y'all once we gym.
So yeah, it was just way too hot to record in the gym. So that pretty much concludes this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode of Road to $100,000 in Payouts. Peace.